Hello you guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing my first vlog in a long time. I've really missed doing these, so I'm really excited. I'm here at my place in Charlotte and I thought I would just kind of have like a productive day with you guys. I don't know about you, but when I get back from traveling, I always need a few days to kind of like reset and just like rejuvenate myself, and I'm finally starting to feel not jet lagged and I have like motivation to like actually do stuff, you know? So that's what I'm going to be doing in today's video. And if you're new here, be sure to subscribe. I post videos every week and I would love for you to be a part of the fam. All right, so this is actually the first to-do list I have made myself in quite a long time. But as far as today goes, my four like main tasks are go to Target. I am completely out of like my shampoo, my conditioner. I need new razors, stuff like that. And then I also just want to clean my upstairs. I feel like I don't know, I have stuff all over the place, so I need to do that. Also some laundry to do, and then I have a ton of stuff I just need to bring to the dumpster in my neighborhood. And then last night I took my iMac and my MacBook to Best Buy and I got them appraised because I want to trade them in and get a MacBook Pro. Just like get rid of my big desktop computer and my MacBook Air. So I might end up going and getting my MacBook Pro tonight. The only thing that's stopping me is I have a ton of files that I have to get off of my editing software and I'm not sure how to do that because they're on my software. They're not like saved as a file. So that's something I'm kind of figuring out. I might have to do that tomorrow, but it's kind of on here in case I have time today. I'm also going to Sarah's at 7 p.m. and then I need to make my Target shopping list. So that's what I'm doing right now. It's actually only 9 in the morning, so I'm already off to an early start. Already took my little Clio out, right baby? We went a long walk. All right, so here is the current state of my bedroom. It's just kind of a bit of a mess. Like everything is kind of organized into its own little piles, but I don't know, I just don't feel clear-minded and stuff right now. So I'm going to set you guys down, do a quick little speed clean type of thing, and hopefully get all of this stuff situated. And yeah, I can't do anything until this place feels cleaner. Alright, so it's a little bit later now and I did not end up going to Target yet. I'm selling a few things right now and my girlfriends that are coming to pick the stuff up wanted to come. So I decided to just wait at home and they came and now I'm eating my little brunch / lunch type of thing. It's just a ramen bowl from Trader Joe's and it's just like plain ramen, and then I steamed some veggies and I just added those in there. So while this cools down, actually I want to show you guys a package that I got from Scentbird. I don't know if you guys have heard about Scentbird. I've talked about them on my channel before, but it's pretty much a monthly subscription service for perfume, and I feel like we all know the struggle of buying a big bottle of perfume and then like never going through the whole thing, and it's like, why did I spend all that money? What's nice about Scentbird is it's only $15 a month or $10 if you want to use my coupon, and they send you a 30-day supply of perfume. They send you a little container like this, and then you just pop the 30-day supply out like that. So you put it back in, just twist down, and then you can just spray it. They also have a ginormous selection of perfumes. They have over 600 brands. I know they have like Prada, Tom Ford, Gucci, so a huge selection, but I'm going to show you guys which ones I got. The past couple of days I've been wearing the Toca Maya fragrance and it's so good. It's very fresh, very summer. It kind of smells like a linen-y scent, but then it also is sweet at the same time, and I've never had a fragrance that was kind of like that. And then this one, I think this is a new color too maybe that they came out with. It's like a bronze, and this is Bella by Vince Camuto. So all of these, you guys, smell amazing. And then I'm also really excited because I am trying out Scentbird's Anima Mundi Apothecary brand. So it is a plant-based collagen booster beauty elixir, and I've never had any kind of elixir that like is for your food or your drink, if that makes sense. So you pretty much put a teaspoon of this into your food or like a smoothie or a drink 2 to 3 times a day, actually you can, and it's just supposed to help restore collagen. So I'm really excited to try this one out as well. All right, so I am going to have the links to all of these perfume fragrances in the description along with my coupon. If you've never used Scentbird before, be sure to use that for $10 your first month, and these things are are awesome. I'm probably gonna put a couple of these in like my car, a new one in my purse. I'm really excited. All right, now time to eat. I see you looking at me, Cleo. Alright, so if you did not already see, I posted a video showing you guys everything I got in Asia, and I got a ton of makeup. I picked up pretty much enough new stuff so that I can kind of stop using all my old stuff. But, okay, so this is my old makeup bag, this is my new makeup bag. I'm gonna go through my old stuff and just pick out a couple things that I might want to continue to use, and then I think I'm gonna put my makeup brushes from now on into this little pouch if they fit, just because I feel like they get so dirty being in the makeup bag. But I like having all my stuff in a bag just so I can bring it with me. No, Cleo, that's not for you. But yeah, here's all the new stuff that I got. I will have the haul video linked below. But I definitely think my Jeffree Star products, I want to keep using those every day. Honestly, that might be it. I don't know. I don't really see a point. I might just like wash a couple of these brushes and still hold on to them, but yeah, I definitely want to keep my Scentbird. Yeah, I think that's all for now. And I'm gonna go ahead and like put all this stuff into the little case and get it all situated. Okay, yay, I like this so much more than having 2 big bags, and the only products I have in here is like stuff that I'm going to use pretty much every single day. It's crazy. I used to have a big makeup collection, like huge. I would have drawers among drawers among drawers of makeup, but now I just like having a small bag. It's so much easier, and I just like the whole minimalistic vibe. And I'm also gonna put my moisturizer in there. I've been using the Lush Vanish. Oh, and my room is also nice and clean now. It feels so much better in here. Just have everything in its own spot. Right, Cleo? Right? All right, I'm about to head out, and here is my list. I just wanted to document it to see if I actually stick to it or if I will end up, you know, going off the path a little bit, like what usually happens when I go to Target. I haven't been to Target in like a month though. So while I was in Korea, I got a ton of random K-pop merch, and one of the things I got were some buttons. And at the time, I had no idea what I was going to actually do with them, but I found the cutest spot for one of them. How, like, excuse me, I'll just be driving and like look over and see Bae. I think this is very, very cute, and I'm very happy about it. And this is like my pop socket thing, so I can also take my phone and put it on here while I drive. Oh my goodness. My background, okay, I actually look like a crazy K-pop girl right now. I need to change my background. That's a bit too much. All right, I actually am very proud of myself. I stuck to getting everything I said I would get. The only thing I got that wasn't on my list is tea tree oil, because I heard that helps with acne scarring. But yeah, just got home and I'm a little salty because I can't find my external hard drive. I have a feeling I left it at my parents' house in Durham, but I did manage to find this, which is a unopened flash drive that I have. So maybe I'll be able to make this work. I'm not really sure. Pretty much what I'm about to do is take my big iMac computer, which is in this bag. I'm gonna take it out, set it up, and I'm going to try and take everything off of it that I need and put it on here. This is only 32 gigabytes. So I don't know if this is gonna work, but my goal is tonight I wanna bring this and my MacBook Air to Best Buy and trade it in for a MacBook Pro. The two of them combined, I'm probably only gonna get like $300 for both of them, because they're both like 4 years old. So, you know, whatever, money is money. So yeah, that is my next little task. I'm trying to keep myself busy because I know if I sit down, I'm not gonna wanna get up. But yeah, fingers crossed I can get all of this onto this little flash drive. All right, I just showered and I'm currently waiting for my Mac and my MacBook to like have their memory cleared. It takes a while, so it's already been like an hour of waiting, but only a half an hour left. But what I'm gonna do now is stop being lazy and take this stuff to this donation place, which is right around the corner from my house. So I'm just going to drop it off over there, and that way I'll get all this clutter out of my house. This stuff is just old Kaio stuff that I'm selling, but all of this needs to go because I never wear any of this stuff anymore. Good morning, everyone. Oh my goodness, I look so gross. I wish I had sunglasses that I could put on right now, but I don't. What's up? It is the next morning. It's actually a really nasty day out. It was like pouring all morning and it's just like stopped for a second, I think, but It's still really gross out. Anyways, I am about to go to Best Buy and get a little USB converter thing. I got my new laptop last night, which is very exciting for me because that was just like something that I had to do for a long time, and it's nice just to kind of like get it all done, you know? So I'm gonna run to Best Buy, get this little USB converter, and then go to a cafe around here and do some editing. I'm really excited because now I can edit on my laptop. I used to only be able to edit on my iMac because my MacBook Air couldn't handle my Final Cut Pro software, so now I can actually like go places and edit, which I really should have just done all of this sooner, but you know, a new laptop is just like an unnecessary expense, you know? But I'm really excited because now I can just like go places and I can edit on the go and not just have to stay at my house. But that's kind of what I have going on this morning. I'm so glad to be back into the swing of vlogging. Like, it feels so good. I mean, I love traveling, but it's always nice just like to get home and be able to kind of just get back into a little groove. So that's what I'm doing. I was thinking about going back to my hometown Raleigh this weekend, but I looked at the forecast and it's just supposed to rain all weekend, and I get really bad anxiety when I have to drive in the rain, especially on the highway, just because, you know, people be crazy. So I probably will end up driving back, but I think after I do this editing, I might go home and do like a little self-care moment. So make sure you keep watching because I'm going to show you guys some of my favorite products that I've been using for self-care. And then I booked a cycle class tonight, so I think I'm going to end up going over there at like 5:30. But yeah, that is my little update for this morning. I'm going to go to Best Buy and then hit the cafe. So I just got back home, and I'm sorry it's kind of bad lighting right here just because it's very gloomy out, but we're just gonna deal with it. I wanted to do a little face mask. I think I'm gonna do this one. This is the Pore Prestige one, and it's specifically for pores and skin exfoliation. I had like a little bit of dryness going on down here, so I just thought this would be the best one to do for it. But face masks have been like my favorite thing lately, and they've been really helping. I just think it's so important to like give your day or give your skin a couple days off from wearing makeup out of the week. I've been trying to do 2 days at least. And then like I've been just paying attention to other really specific things that have actually really helped my skin. For example, always making sure my hands are clean if I'm doing anything to do with my skin. Like right now, if I had not washed my hands, imagine how many germs would be getting on this mask, which I'm putting on my face, you know? And then also, making sure that like the towels that I wipe my hands on in my bathroom are clean, because that's like another thing that can just get so dirty. Like if you're wiping your hands on something and then touching your face right after, make sure that it's at least clean, you know? Whatever this liquid is, it is like so softening for my skin. I love it. I literally look like a crazy person right now, but you know what? It is what it is. All right, it's been like 30 minutes. Oh, that felt good. It's literally pouring outside right now, but a little face mask kind of makes the day better. If you've been watching my channel for a few months now, a few months ago, my skin started freaking out and it has gotten a lot better. All of this down here is pretty much scarring. I know it looks like I'm super broken out. It's pretty much just scarring. So my goal now is to, now that I've gotten the breakouts under control, it's to fix my scarring. And something that I've been kind of like starting to implement into my routine is tea tree oil. The trick with this though is you want to use it's diluted. You don't want to use just pure tea tree oil on your skin. So I'm going to grab a cotton swab. They're over here. I'm gonna grab a cotton swab. I'm gonna show you guys how I do this. So literally, I'm just gonna take it, get it wet like that, and then just kind of, and then I'm just gonna kind of let my skin chill. So I'm not going to put any moisturizer on for probably like 45 minutes just because I just finished that face mask. So I'm just gonna kind of let that sit into my skin. You're supposed to like not wash your face after. You're supposed to just kind of let the product do its thing. Anyways, I think I am actually going to close the vlog off here so I can finish editing it and get it up first thing tomorrow morning for you guys. As I said, for the rest of my evening, I'm pretty much just going to take it easy for a few hours, and then I'm going to my first cycle class in a month. So that will be very interesting. But I really hope you guys enjoy this video. I know it was just like a kind of boring little vlog, but it's just nice to get back into the swing of things. And be sure to leave me any other video requests you have in the description. My goal for this summer is to do at least 1 to 2 vlogs a week, but I also want to do other videos, like fun videos. Like, I don't know, I really like the challenge videos, like the drive-through stuff was fun. And I want to do more what I eat videos and just kind of, you know, keep it, you know, big variety on my channel. So let me know what you guys think, and also be sure to check me out on Instagram if you haven't already. Now that it's summer, I've been like posting a lot more on there. I feel like during the school year, my feed was just so boring because I was always stuck doing schoolwork, but now that it's summer, I actually am posting like semi-decent photos. But that's about it. I love you guys so much. I hope if you are on summer break, your summer's off to a good start. And I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye guys.